So today we're taking a look at how you can add lightning to a video in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is just open up your video, open up a project, put your video on the timeline, and once we've done that, you want to go to your effects panel down here, and you want to type in lightning. And when we're in lightning, we just want to drag this over onto our clip. And now we'll see in our effects controls, you're going to scroll down, we'll just close some of these, and you'll see the lightning tab here. As you can see, already in the screen we have this lightning, but that's no good, it's in the middle. And we don't want it in the middle. I already got some settings to where I know where I want this to go, but you can play around with it just by typing in numbers or moving these around like so. We're just going to set our digits up here, and it's going to be pretty cool. All we want to do is, with that minus 140, as you can see here we have this lightning and it's striking this house and it looks very cool. So what we can do is there's a few different things we can change. There's quite a lot of things we can change actually, and you can play around and fine tune it, but for the basics understanding of using lightning, we want to look at segments. I quite like to ramp segments all the way up to the top, or about a 10. I'd say a 10 is always good on the segments. Detail level, we'll probably put that in the middle, and then as you can see, we can play this out now what the effect does. But for this particular video, I kind of want something a bit thicker, and what we want to do is we want to go down to our width here. I'm going to slowly increase this to where we can see someone. See, if we go too big, it just doesn't look that realistic for lightning. It depends what you're doing with it. Depends on what your use case scenario is for this. But I think around there looks decent. Another cool thing we can do is we can also change some other bits over here. You see certain bits thicker. I think we've got a good lightning effect there. Another cool thing we can do is we can also change the colour. So let's say we want green lightning. Let's say we're doing something with sci-fi and we want something green. As you can see, it's now got a bit more of a green tinge to it. And we can also change this colour as well. Let's make that one red. Contrasts a bit. And if we go back, you can see there's our lightning. It's a bit thick. We're going to lower that down a bit. And there you go. That is how you make lightning in Premiere Pro. Like I said, there's some other settings that you can do here. I think which one of these is it that looks kind of cool. The normal one kind of looks cool. When you set the blending mode, as you see there, you can really see that green pop. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.